to another tutorial in this Telegram series in Ubuntu. So right now we need to create a subdomain that is going to be pointing to your external IP address, because the bot is going to be deployed on your local machine. So we need a way to reach our bot. So we are going to create this subdomain, and later on in our next tutorials, we are going to assign this subdomain to our Telegram bot webhook so that it's going to be used to reach our Telegram bot server. So for now, we are going to create our free subdomain. I'm going to be using NO-IP, and NO-IP is a dynamic DNS provider. So we're going to create our free host name. So from here, we can choose our domain, and right here we can type in our host name, and then we're gonna sign up for this free host name. I already have an account, so I'll be going to manage DNS. Okay, so I already have a host name right here, so I'm going to add a new one, and I'm gonna call my host name BasselTech bot, and it's going to be an A record host name, and this is my external IP address, and then we are good to go. We're going to add this host name right here. So that's it for this quick tutorial, and catch you in the next one.